If Excel or Google Sheets feels like chaos, this video is your shortcut. In 9 minutes, you'll get 5 copy-paste ChatGPT prompts to clean data, write formulas, build dashboards, and generate a report fast. Prompt pack number 3, Excel/Sheets, Superpowers. Important rule, never fake numbers or data. Use placeholders first, then replace them with your real sheet values and sources. Before prompt 1, gather 1. A screenshot or pasted sample of your sheet. 10 to 30 rows is enough. 2. Your goal. Clean, calculate, dashboard, or report. 3. Any constraints. Tool version, deadlines, audience. Prompt 1. Clean messy data, duplicates, split text, formats. Prompt number 1 turns messy sheets into clean tables with step-by-step actions. Copy-paste. Act as an Excel/Google Sheets data cleaning expert. Here is a sample of my sheet. Headers plus 10 to 30 rows. Goal. Standardize formats, dates, currency, names, remove duplicates, fix inconsistent values, e.g., NY, New York, New York, split or merge columns when needed. Output 1. A cleaned columns mapping, old column, new column plus rule. 2. Exact steps using Excel Sheets features. Remove duplicates, trim, clean, split, text to columns, find, replace. 3. If formulas are needed, provide the exact formulas with explanations. Rules: do not invent any values. Ask up to 3 clarifying questions only if absolutely required. Always freeze the header row and create a backup tab before cleaning. Prompt 2. Write the right formulas. XLOOKUP, SUMIFS, if, array formula. Prompt number 2 generates formulas that actually work in your sheet. Copy-paste. You are a spreadsheet formula assistant. Tool, task, I need a formula to. Sheet context, tab name, ease, key columns, example, inputs.outputs, input, example, desired output, constraints. Prefer modern functions, XLOOKUP, filter, let if available. Provide 2 options. A. Best, modern formula. B. Backward compatible alternative. Explain how to drag fill down correctly. Include common error fixes, $n/a, value, blanks. If a formula is long, ask ChatGPT to format it with line breaks and comments. Prompt 3. Turn a table into a dashboard. KPIs plus charts plus slices. Prompt number 3 is your dashboard blueprint. Copy-paste. Act as a dashboard designer for Excel, Google Sheets. My dataset is a table with columns. Audience, goal, time range, create 1. 6 KPI cards, name plus definition plus formula. 2. 3 charts, type plus what to plot plus why. 3. Suggested pivot tables, rows to columns, values, filters. 4. Layout plan for a single dashboard tab, top to bottom. 5. If sheets, include slices, filter views, suggestions. Rules: use placeholders if you don't know exact column letters. Do not assume data that isn't provided. A great dashboard answers what happened, why, and what next. Prompt 4. Explain insights. What changed plus why from the numbers. Prompt number 4 converts numbers into a story. Copy-paste. You are a business analyst. Here are my KPIs and results. Context, business type, period compared, known events, task. 1. Identify the top 5 changes, up, down, with magnitude. 2. Suggest 3 plausible drivers per change, label as hypotheses. 3. Recommend 5 actions for next week, month. 4. Highlight any data quality warnings or missing info rules. Do not invent facts. Use hypotheses and label uncertainty clearly. Always separate what we know versus what we suspect. Prompt 5. Generate a weekly report, 1 page, plus email to send it. Prompt number 5 outputs a clean report and an email draft. Copy-paste. Act as an operations reporting lead. Create a 1-page weekly report based on this data. Report structure. Executive summary, 3 bullets. KPI table. KPI, current, previous, delta, note. Wins, 3 bullets. Risks, issues, 3 bullets. Next steps, 5 bullets with owner's placeholders. Then write a short email, 80 to 120 words, to send this report to. Rules. Use placeholders for owners like. Keep it concise and professional. Wrap up plus CTA. That's prompt pack number 3, Excel/Sheets Superpowers. Subscribe for weekly copy-paste prompt packs. And if you want a pack tailored to your job, comment prompt plus your role. Next, watch the previous prompt pack episode on this channel.